Hello, good morning, MMM Philippines. My name is Novi. I am from Davao City. I am a member of MMM for a few months now. Alright, so I created this video because I just wanted to show you uh, how do I benefit MMM. Alright, so November, as you can see, it's November 11. I request to provide help 50,000, 30,000 pesos, and November 10 also. No. Okay, so November 11, I request to provide help 30,000 and 50,000 pesos. That is 80,000 pesos overall. Then, November 13, 2015, it's my turn to ask for help from the MMM community. So I asked to get help 50,000 pesos at least. And those participants who provided help to me are, we have here Tatay, Tatay Dads, Tuban, Tuna Marie, Turing Hassel, Gemma, and we have Juveta, Bugal, Jesse, Malika. Thank you so much to all of the participants who provided help to me. To Sir Jim Mavrodi, thank you so much, sir. And long live MM. Together we can change the world.